Fruit and chia seed yogurt parfait. Place the chia seeds in water. And if you haven't experimented with chia seeds before, you're in for a treat because they absorb 10 to 12 times their water weight. Here, I'm using apples, kiwi, dragon fruit, and cherries. But you can make your own variation with your favorite fruits. Now, strain it using a sieve. I'm going to add chia seeds and honey into the yogurt and give it a good mix. Now it's time to assemble the fruit and yogurt. Chopped fruit first and chia seed yogurt on top. Layer with more fruits and yogurt. Top it off with mint. Green chia smoothie. Green chia smoothie is the simplest way to get a healthy superfood diet. Now, let's start with kiwi, avocado, pineapple, yogurt, orange juice, chia seeds, ice, and mint all together in the blender and push the start button. Pour it into a glass. And that's all you do to enjoy this bright and fresh green chia seed smoothie.